Now that you know how to read an SDS, you need to know where to find them. SDSs are usually located near the area in which products are used or stored. There should also be a central register within the site. When working with cleaning products or any chemicals, there are some basic safety steps we all must take. They include always knowing what you are handling, reading the label and SDS, knowing what to do in an emergency, wearing the appropriate personal protective equipment as shown on the SDS, washing your hands after using cleaning products, adding product to water, not water to product, to avoid concentrated splashes, and storing, dispensing and disposing of chemicals safely and correctly. When working with cleaning products or any chemicals, there are some basic safety steps we all must take. They include never using chemicals from unlabeled containers, storing chemicals in unlabeled containers, storing chemicals at high temperatures, refer to the SDS, mixing chemicals, inhaling or ingesting chemicals. For example, do not sniff at chemicals to try to determine what it is. If it isn't labelled, do not use it. Allowing contact with skin or eyes. If you do come in contact with a cleaning product, always refer to the label and SDS for first aid information. As a general rule, to reduce potential chemical injury, you should remove contaminated clothing to reduce contact with the substance. Rinse exposed skin under running water for a minimum of 15 minutes. Flush eyes under running water for a minimum of 15 minutes. If ingested, do not induce vomiting. Sip water. If inhaled, move to fresh air and rest. You should seek medical attention immediately and report any instances to your supervisor. If a cleaning chemical is spilled, you need to clean it up as quickly as possible to reduce exposure to others, slip injuries, and the chance of the chemical contaminating drains or waterways. When you see a chemical spill, remember to put up relevant signage to warn others of the danger. Refer to the label and the SDS for information on personal precautions, environmental precautions, and methods to clean up and dispose of spills. Always wear the recommended personal protective equipment when cleaning up a spill. Clean up spills as quickly as possible. Report the spill to your supervisor. Dispose of the waste appropriately. If you do have an emergency, who should you contact? Ring medical assistance for any injuries. Ring the fire brigade. They are equipped to deal with major chemical spills. Report all incidents to your supervisor. This course has covered many aspects of working safely with cleaning chemicals. We highlighted how it is everyone's responsibility to ensure safety in the workplace. By promoting a more informed chemical handling approach, the potential risk and danger posed will be better controlled. Let's review some of those key points. Always know what you are using and how to use it. Read labels and the SDS. They will provide you with the relevant safety information you need. If a container is unlabeled or if you are not sure, do not use it and report it to your supervisor. Know the risks and how to avoid them. Always follow safe working practices. Use chemicals only as directed. If you are not sure, ask. And at all times, have a safety-first attitude. You have now completed this training session.